Have you ever trusted someone just because they smiled at you? What if the sweetest smile hides the sharpest lesson? And what if one betrayal saves your future? Once upon a time, in a small and crowded American town, there lived a very poor teenage girl named Liana. She was 17 years old and lived in a tiny apartment with her sick grandmother. The walls were old, the paint was falling, and the heater worked only sometimes. Liana worked part-time at a small bakery after school to pay for medicine and rent. She skipped lunch many days to save money. At school, she stayed quiet and kind. She believed that kindness could protect her from the world. She smiled at everyone, even when her heart felt heavy. She believed that if she trusted people, they would trust her back. She thought a smile always meant safety, but she was about to learn something different. One day, a new girl joined the school. Her name was Camilla. She was confident, stylish, and always smiling. Camilla noticed Liana sitting alone and came to talk to her. "You look nice," she said warmly. No one had said that to Liana before. Slowly, they became friends. Camilla listened to Liana's problems. She asked about her grandmother. She even visited their small apartment once and brought fruit. Liana felt grateful. She thought she had finally found someone who truly cared. Camilla's smile felt real. Liana trusted it. After some weeks, Camilla started asking for small favors. She borrowed money and promised to return it soon. She asked Liana to do parts of her homework. She shared secrets and asked for secrets in return. Sometimes Liana noticed something strange. Camilla only talked to her when she needed something. In front of popular students, Camilla acted distant. But when Liana felt confused, she pushed the feeling away. She is just busy, Liana told herself. She did not want to lose her only friend, so she ignored the small warning signs. If this story is touching your heart, subscribe to English Story Academy channel for emotional and powerful English stories that help you learn and grow. One afternoon, Liana walked into the school hallway and heard laughter. Students were looking at their phones. She felt her stomach tighten. Then she saw it. Camilla had posted a private photo of Liana's apartment online. The small kitchen, the broken chair. The caption said, "My best friend's palace." The comments were cruel. People laughed. Some felt sorry. Some joked about poverty. Liana stood frozen. The smile she trusted had turned into humiliation. Her hands shook. Her chest hurt. For the first time, she understood that not every smile means kindness. The next day, Camilla came to her with tears. "I'm sorry," she said. "It was just a joke. I didn't think it would hurt you." For a moment, Liana wanted to forgive her. She wanted things to go back to normal, but then something changed inside her. She remembered every small warning sign she had ignored. Then came the twist. A teacher called Liana to the office. The principal had seen the post. Camilla was in serious trouble. The school asked Liana if she wanted to make a complaint. Liana looked at Camilla, who was crying now, and suddenly she understood something powerful. Camilla's smile had always been for attention. It was never about friendship. Liana did not shout. She did not insult. She simply said, "I forgive you, but I will not trust you again." That sentence was stronger than anger. After that day, Liana became quieter but stronger. She did not stop being kind. She just became careful. She learned to listen to her instincts. She made new friends slowly. She shared less. She trusted actions more than words. Weeks later, something unexpected happened. One of her classmates who had seen the post came to apologize for laughing. That girl later helped Liana apply for a community scholarship. Liana realized something important. The betrayal did not destroy her. It protected her. It taught her the difference between a real smile and a fake one. Years later, Liana would remember that painful day as the moment she grew up. She still believed in kindness, but she no longer believed that every smile was safe. She understood that trust is not given because someone looks friendly. Trust is earned through respect and consistency. The world did not become softer, but Liana became wiser. She learned the truth. A smile can hide many things, but your intuition rarely lies. Moral of the story: not every smile means loyalty. Trust slowly. Protect your heart wisely. Subscribe to English Story Academy channel for more emotional and life-changing English stories to improve your listening and confidence.